in work. How about you?
Same hard work. Been keeping things busy, so much change.
I know, right? We need to catch up. Sometimes maybe a grab coffee.
Lately, I got so much to share. Let's eat it.
Sounds good. I've missed you.
Miss you too. Let's make it happen soon.
Let's go.
Go. Time.